Hey, Mr. Lowtech here. Day 4 of the new build. We're going to try to do the least amount possible and gain the greatest strength on this boat project. Anyway, you're going to love this. I got the two trusses together. Hold on here. Basically just 3/8 with 1x2s glued to it and stapled and bratted. It's tougher. I mean, it's pretty darn tough. This is just the beginning, and of course the boat is actually upside down. You're going to laugh at this. Looks like a pretty good John boat or a skiff at this point. But now we're going to flip it. So we can start actually framing this thing. Those two pieces of plywood are just there to square it up. Now it's square. Now it's coming together. If you look on the wall here, this is basically, the one done in black is the one I'm actually going to build first. And here's actually a small mock-up of what it's going to look like. If you look at it here, it doesn't take much, just a little bit of engineering, and you can make it pretty tough. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put some stuff together real quick, and then I'll get back to you guys with a video, and you guys have a good night. Bye.